In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to add timestamps to photos on an Android phone. Most latest Android models have the option to add a visible timestamp on your photos. For this demo, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. First, open your system camera on your phone. Then tap on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top left corner. Inside settings, scroll down until you find watermark. Tap on it. Here, you can control how the timestamp appears. You can turn on the model name, date, or time. You also get a few formatting options like font and alignment. I'm just gonna enable date and time, and then toggle on the watermark. Now exit and go back to the camera. Take a photo, open your gallery, and there you go. The timestamp is right on the picture. The second method is through a third-party date stamper app. I use this app called Timestamp It when I only need to stamp basic date and time information on my pictures. Let's install it and open. When you open the camera, you'll see your photos in the gallery. Select the photos you want to add a timestamp. Tap the bottom here, and then tap on the top right corner to see the editing options. Tap anywhere on the image to exit the edit screen, and then tap Stamp 3 Media at the bottom. There you go. Your stamped photos are shown in the top row and in the second tab. I like the simplicity and clean look of this app. However, as you just saw, this app allows you to edit date and time. So if you need more trustworthy documentation, you need a timestamp camera that's anti-tampering. Now let's look at a more reliable option. Go to Play Store and search Timemark, download and open. When you enter the camera page, you see a timestamp watermark at the bottom left corner. It shows the date, time, and the location right away. If you tap the timestamp, you can toggle on more fields like your logo, your name, and notes. I'm going to toggle on the weather field. Inside templates, you also find lots of preset templates built for different industries. Let's try this one. In one snap, you get a timestamp plus all the context you need. As I mentioned earlier, Timemark is anti-tampering. Let me show you. Go to your date and time settings and change your device clock. Now go back to Timemark. You see this alert. Timemark detects the manipulation and won't use the altered system time. The timestamp in the photo still shows the correct network provided time. This is important if you take photos for claims, inspections, or any situation where the timestamp needs to be trustworthy.